What's going on, everyone? The video we've all been waiting for is finally here. The Pandem wide body kit is finally installed on my RCF, and I'm going to pick it up in about an hour and a half down at Studio RSR. They knocked it out in about a week, and they were able to get everything on there. Still waiting on the rear diffuser and the wing. Those are the final two things to complete the kit, and I've been talking with them down at Studio RSR because they have a couple connections here and there, and they said once it's done to hit them back up, and they might be able to get us into SEMA. So we'll see how that goes. Hopefully we can hit it SEMA 2021. If not, try again next year. It happens every year. Nothing to worry about. But we're hoping to get in this year. Everything's done except those two last things. Also got to pick up the wheels. I'm going to have to drive it back an hour and a half from LA to Bakersfield without the new wheels and rims on it. So hopefully nobody catches me slipping on the highway or anything and takes a video. But I mean, there's nothing else you could do. I can't lug the wheels all the way down there. Wheels are up in Fresno, cars down in LA. It's all over the place, but we're getting it done. Wheels will be on next Saturday, and we'll make a video about that, but let's head down to Studio RSR now. Finally here at Studio RSR. He already pulled out the car, so we can't really unveil it, but here it is. Body kit's done. Don't roast me for the rims. We'll have them in 3 days. Just gotta drive it back right now with the gap. Not a big deal. Oh, look at this beauty. Oh my God, this thing is sick. I'm so excited they were able to get the side skirts to fit, because the side skirts are not meant for this. They're meant for a stock body. So I was afraid they were going to have to cut that little flare part that comes out, but they were able to pull it out a little bit and get it to fit. There's a small little gap right here that you can't even see, can't even tell. So it won't be a big issue. Same thing on the other side. I feel like the gap's a little bit bigger on this side, but still nothing noticeable. Can't see all the way through it, so it's as close as you can get it to the stock body. Because I mean, this kit right here, it was supposed to stick out a lot more, and they were able to make it work. So I'm very impressed with the work, man. They did a great job here at Studio RSR. Look at this Mark V Supra. It's not time for the Supra though. Supras get their time. It's time for the Pandem RCF. Look at this bad boy. All we got left is the rear wing. Got to buy a whole new trunk to put that on. Paint the trunk, match it with the same color. And then we also got the diffuser coming in at the end of this month, so in about 2 weeks. We'll have the rear diffuser in. That's going to change the look of the car completely. I'm going to see if I can maybe bolt it on a little bit farther, the wing on here, because I don't want to have to take everything off of the interior of the trunk, but for the most part, might as well just buy a new trunk. There he is. I mean, he didn't do the body work, but he's the one who set all this up, so props to Dre right here.
Looks great. Can't wait to see the wheels on it. Man.
We're out here just looking at all the parts of the car, man, and to everybody who thinks the color didn't match, man, this shit is perfect. He nailed it on the spot. I mean, the first time it came out a little bit green, but I don't know how you can see it in different angles in the video, but it came out exactly perfect match, which with matte colors like this is extremely hard to do. So props to my guy Jay who did the paint. This shit is solid. The whole car came out perfect, man. We got to fix a couple more things, chips and stuff from when they were screwing on the body kit, but it's nothing big. We just got to get the rims. That's the major thing that's fucking up the look right now. What's up? So I'm back in the car already. I didn't want to take up too much of Dre's time, so he already ruined a little bit of his weekend plans to pick up the car, but he was cool about it. So we're gonna get this baby on the road. Hopefully nobody takes a video of me while I'm on the freeway driving home. I don't want to end up a TikTok, man, but this car looks weird without the new wheels. Now we're gonna test if we scratch. Hey, first exit and no scrapes, so we're good for now. But like I said, hopefully nobody made me mad at me on the freeway. I finally got the car home. Took us so freaking long because of traffic and everything, but thankfully me and this Mustang were racing all the way here, so got here a little bit quicker than I should have. But here comes the real test now, man. My driveway is for sure gonna scrape this whole entire kit, so we gotta check this out and see how bad it's gonna hit, or if I can make it up until I can order some curb ramps or driver ramps, whatever they call them. But I'm definitely gonna have to get that because I'm gonna be scraping this kit every single day. But let's see how I can get it through today. That was pretty loud, I heard that. So definitely gonna let me scrape a little bit. Oh. Nothing that's noticeable, but oh, I see it right there. So that's day one already. We scraped a little bit. I mean, it's nothing terrible. Didn't ruin the look. Can't see it. But we'll definitely need to get some clearway ramps because once I get that new diffuser, the diffuser drops a little bit lower than the current stock one, and so I'll be scraping on the rear end as well. But for now, we'll have to make do with what we got. Alright everyone, I want to give a big shout out to Studio RSR. They did a great job on the car, man, and I'm gonna start taking every car I do a body kit because I know this is not the last one. It will be the first of many. I'm gonna start taking every body kit I do to them because they did an amazing job on it. But I just want to show you guys real quick. I'm gonna insert right now before and after so you guys can see how far the car has come along. And we still got a couple parts. I've already mentioned it before, I'm mentioning it again. Still got the wing and the diffuser. Rims are coming on as soon as they arrive. I'm going down there Wednesday if they arrive on time because that looks awful right now. I can't even drive the car. It's embarrassing. But yeah. So, I mean, thanks for staying along, guys. I appreciate it. And hopefully we do get into SEMA this year. That'd be freaking a lifelong dream to get this car into SEMA. And from there on, we can just build connections to help the channel grow. So I appreciate you guys sticking along. Make sure to like and subscribe, share the video. And thanks for all the support.